Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here, testing yet another fragrance for BeScented. This one is called Pineapple Punch by Bath & Body Works, and it's part of their Slatkin line of candles. The official description is a tropical blend of sweet, juicy pineapple, mango sorbet, and coconut water. So the top notes are apple, melon, pineapple. The middle notes are peach, strawberry, coconut, and there's a little bit of musk mixed in. And let me tell you, smells fantastic. Someone in our group had requested some pineapple fragrances, so we tested a straight pineapple, and then we thought we would test a pineapple with a little bit more in-depth pineapple with more notes, a little bit more complex than just a straight pineapple. And happy to say this one performed fantastic. In fact, this one was very difficult. Not difficult, but it was slow to trace. So again, no ricing, no acceleration. It behaved fantastic. And when I was thinking pineapple punch, I was thinking, okay, am I going to do pineapple colors? Am I going to do punch colors? So I came up with teal green and like a red raspberry punch color. So not sure how the teal green came mixed in, but I love the color anyway. And I just thought it would be just a nice color combo, and then keep the base, obviously the white, just so we can see if there's any discoloration, which I don't believe there will be. But you can see I had to kind of keep mixing this in. Just because it was not getting thick enough, and for my design, I wanted to make sure that it was definitely thick and it wasn't runny. So I am going to go ahead and keep stick blending this just a little bit longer. Sometimes my biggest downfall is I won't stick blend quite enough, and then it's a little bit more challenging to get some of the swirls you want, or else you got to go back and re-stick blend. But with the smaller amounts for the colors, it's a little bit easier to stick blend just enough. And I will say today it is about 60 degrees in the Washington, D.C. area. It's absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully we are not going to get any more snow. So I've seen people post like in Iowa that there's ice and snow. So sorry about that, but it's supposed to be 70 degrees the next 2 days here. So looks like winter is finally heading out, at least for us in the D.C. area. The cherry blossoms will be here pretty soon. So that's always an exciting time of the year for us. All right, and we are back for the cut. Yeah, I was really happy. This smells really good. Happy with the colors, how everything came out. The swirls were nice, and it smells really good at the cut. So just fingers crossed that the fragrance survives the saponification process and the cure. And there you have it. It's Pineapple Punch by Bath & Body Works, and fingers crossed that it cures nicely and we can carry it at BeScented. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video.